Here I have ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later if you have no opened Wi-Fi networks around you. Then you set up date and time. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Then tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Skip anyway. And setup is complete. Then you have to finish by accepting privacy policy in terms of service, and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.